On the next episode of the Self-Publishing Tips and Tricks Show, meet Peter Okonkwo, an independently published author of 3 poetry collections, who talks about how to handle reviews, market poetry, and the power of social media for an author platform. What's your opinion about reviews? How do you react to negative reviews and criticisms of your book?
You've asked a fantastic question. Reviews are subjective. Reviews are personal opinions of readers who might vary from one person to the other. What A might like, another person might dislike it. I've got someone wrote trash about my book on Amazon. A reviewer left a review. He gave the book 1-star review that I can still remember. And he said, and I quote, that I give this book 1-star rating because effort is also required creating junks. When I read that comment and review, I laughed so hard. I don't even take it personal. And the same book that I got someone saying is a trash is the same book that I got someone telling me that, oh wow, your book speaks to me in volume. It addresses a matter of my life. And I was like, wow. So reviews it's just reader's opinion. I would advise authors not to take it personal. I made a video about criticism and time facts.
Come chat with Peter Okonkwo during the YouTube premiere of his interview this Friday, July 1st, 2022 at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.